Yeah, just a little update on my wood burning furnace or wood burning boiler that I have in my shop that heats the shop and the house and the my attached garage. We've really had a cold spell, a cold snap. I've kept up with it really well until this morning. I thought I had filled it full enough, but there was our last cold day or night, overnight, and it kind of slowly warmed up overnight. But we have this, as you can see by the smoke, we have this horrendous southwest wind, which can actually be mighty cold, even though it is from the south and the west, but it brings some of that white frozen tundra ground temperatures with it. Today we're supposed to reach 30, and tomorrow 40, I think on Friday 50. So the furnace really doesn't really run much as far as to keep the water warm enough. But this morning I woke up and it was the temperature, the water temperature had dropped to 100 degrees, and that's cold. And anyway, I went out to check it, and I was thinking, well, maybe it just didn't spread through the firebox as far as wood catching on fire, but it was completely empty except for a few pieces, few coals. And usually I usually throw the driest kindling or wood, smallest pieces on the bottom, and then they usually catch fire. And then they go, well, it happens at least 2 or 3 times a year, and it seems to happen right after a cold snap. And it makes sense because I've run it out of wood, I've cooled it off, and I got to pretty much start all over again. But I think I got it going. I find that if I usually keep briquettes on hand, like charcoal briquettes for the grill, and I'll take and throw a few in and then light those with lighter fluid and a match and get it going again, throw some wood over the top of it. But in this case it didn't seem to take. So I went in there and I found the driest pieces of wood. I kind of got things resituated, and I put some really dry pieces of wood on top of what was left of the charcoal, and it looks like it's going now. But time will tell. When I get back home, I'll see if it caught or not. So, well, thanks for watching. I know I don't have a very good video here, but it's, just information on these crazy things. Are they worth it? After you get to be 60 years old, and I'm pushing it here next year, and I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it or not. I guess it keeps me busy during the winter, and keeps me busy throughout the year collecting wood. But I've got quite a pile out back that needs to be split, and I got a fairly decent amount of wood to get through, probably hopefully February. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.